So one of my favorite yearly attractions is actually called Cabana Souk or Sugar Shack. And that is maybe like $30 or so buffet. And so it's a meal. That's what it really
Is
is.
that your favorite attraction to go to eat?
It's so much fun. Okay, so what you do is that because Canada is famous for the maple leaf, right?
Yeah,
That's on our
the
flag.
flag. Yeah.
All the maple trees come from mostly Quebec and the Quebec region. So it actually only comes from one part of Canada. Every April or so, so like the beginning of the spring at the end of the snowfall, you have this event where you go off into the woods, like a cabin in the woods somewhere, or like sometimes fancy restaurants will have it, and it's called the Sugar Shack. And then you go and you have these like luxurious like breakfast foods everywhere. So you have pancakes and eggs and beans and bacon. You also have tea, sugar, like sugar beer, which is really just maple syrup beer. And of course, the thing on the snow, which is on your upper side, like at the top of the screen, you can see people pouring maple syrup onto snow. And then you take a popsicle stick and you roll that into a popsicle.
Wow.
So that is like a whole big brunch thing, and you only can have it once a year. You have to go out into the woods where the maple trees actually are, and you get to see these buckets that are attached to the trees where they get all the syrup. And sometimes
Hold
if
on.
you're
So
lucky,
these buckets here, these cans, is that's what they're for? I thought they're just like trash cans.
no, they're for the maple syrup. They're
Okay.
collected cans.
So how exactly are you collecting the syrup?
So you collect it in the form of maple water, and then you have to bring it to another building to distill it and basically concentrate it into the syrup.
Wow. So what do you? So you just in a way open the tree over there and then just let it
Yeah.
dip into the. Okay. All
Yeah, there's
right.
holes, and then it goes into the bucket. And it
Ah,
only
interesting.
produces once a year. So that's why this event, which is if you happen to be here during the spring, highly recommend that you go because it's something that's unique to Canada and only available in Quebec area too, because we don't have any of that in British Columbia or Banff or any other kind of place like that because they don't have maple trees.